My dearest Christine Sally, I love your name. Okay, I like to pronounce your name, the whole of it. Now, folks, ladies and gentlemen, finally, they have been blessed by the Lord and bless your child by way of this marriage. Thank you for choosing the best way possible of actually honoring your love and honoring your child. And see, I was just wondering, how did you kiss back in the church? Because I did not see the kiss. Can I just see the first kiss in the party if you may? Officer? 10 seconds for the kiss. Everybody, let's do the countdown from 10 to 1. Face each other and kiss. In 1, 2, 3, kiss. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, and 1. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. That's it. But, Mr. and Mrs., I knew for a fact that this day is not only dedicated to your love, but of course to the one above who have blessed you, who has blessed you with a lot. And that's the reason, he's the reason why we're all here today. May I invite everybody to please pray with us, and may I have Miss Baby Jane P. Andes to lead us for that prayer. On behalf of Miss Andes, may I request everyone to please stand. Tumayo po ang lahat. Maraming salamat po.